الضمة والواو والألف والنون. فأما الضمة فتكون علامة للرفع في 4 مواضع: في الاسم المفرد وجمع التكسير. We covered the singular noun, this here الاسم المفرد, and the broken plural, this here جمع التكسير. جمع التكسير. 2 types of nouns that take the dhamma. This dhamma here, and this is the name for it, ad-dhamma. The sound of it is u. We said that the state of rafa, or being raised, is indicated by some mark, one of which is this dhamma. So we get these two, the singular noun, al-ism al-mufrad, and the broken plural, jam'u al-taksir. Now we cover the sound feminine plural, jam'u al-mu'annath السالم. Notice here how the setup of the sentence makes me read it وجمع المؤنث السالم. When I say it separately, I say جمع المؤنث السالم. So the difference between what I say using my words and what the diacritics indicate has to do with the grammar. والفعل المضارع and the present tense verb الذي لم يتصل بآخره شيء. والفعل المضارع, الفعل المضارع, the present tense verb that has nothing attached to its end. We will cover this one later. So let us see how this جمع المؤنث السالم looks like. Now this is the page we used last time from an elementary school book. It has examples of singular, broken, and sound feminine and masculine plurals. Having all of these on the same page helps you in studying the differences between them. If we look for a sound feminine plural, we get واسعات. واسعات. This is an adjective. The way you recognize a sound feminine plural is with this ending at. The singular of this adjective is واسعة. واسعة. We will talk more later about this tight this ending here. For the plural of this واسعة, you just add this here, and before this ta, and you open this ta, so it becomes واسعات. واسعات. So this is how a sound feminine plural looks like. Another one is here, this one here, سابقات. سابقات. Here you see عاقلات. This al here took this a here. It looks like one letter, but these are 2 letters, l and a. La. So that's how the a attaches to another letter. So this is a sound feminine plural, always ends with an a and a ta. Here is another one, مجتهدات. You see this at here. I'm using the same list so that you can use it to study the nouns that we covered so far. And now, since the logic behind the design of this playlist is the analysis of text, we try to find useful clues to help us do that. So in a second, we will look at another clue that help us recognize a masculine or a feminine noun. So let us now look at the definition of a feminine noun in another text. So here we have the مذكر, masculine, مذكر, and feminine, مؤنث. They are defining these terms to a native by using the demonstrative noun هذا, this. Whenever you point to a something masculine, a thing or a person, you say هذا. This noun هذا means this. If you use the noun هذه, saying this, هذه, it's a feminine. So you say هذه المرأة, this woman. هذه. So they're telling a native, because he's used to using these pointing nouns or indicating nouns. It's the masculine is whatever you use هذا with, and feminine is whatever you use هذه. Now, because we are using text analysis as a basis for this course, to allow you to analyze a text, this is a good clue to have. So if you're looking at a text and you want to know you are looking at a feminine or a masculine, we use the same logic that is used here. Here, رجل is a man. You say هذا رجل. هذا بيت. This here is بيت, a house. رجل is a man. So you say هذا. If it's feminine, مؤنث, these are مذكر, which is masculine. These are مؤنث. هذه, here you have امرأة, woman, or دار. Dar also is a noun for a house. So you have two nouns to describe a house. You either say بيت or you say dar. بيت is masculine, dar is feminine. So if you say this is my dar, my house, you say هذه دار. You use the feminine. If you say هذا بيتي, this is my house also, you use هذا. So that's why they used these nouns here. So this is a good clue to know about if you're analyzing a text. You just whenever you see هذا or هذه, you understand what comes after it, or whatever it's pointing to is either masculine with هذا and feminine with هذه.